Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today, we are starting our Winnie the Pooh painting. This is going to be of the 100-acre forest. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me, including these 4 amazing animal posters. Please go get them. And now that that's out of the way, let's get into today's video. So, as with the beginning of any new painting, I start off with my 1x1 grid and just go to town drawing in some of these basic details. And from there, I will do a little wash over this and just get our basic block in done. There are a lot of colors on this, so I did get my palette quite mixed up and just kind of bounced all over the place. But do your best to follow along and get this basic block in done, and then we will start working on the sky. I'm gonna try and get this painting done in about 2 to 3 episodes, but we will see how long this thing takes. So if you noticed, I have been intentionally leaving the characters actually not blocked in. I'm trying to save those for the very last, so that way they can sit exactly on top of the background and really stand out just like an animation would be. I also wanted to try and fit in a glaze on this background sky and trees, but I didn't quite have enough time, and I didn't want to super jam pack this video. It's already got about 3 hours worth of footage on here. this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have ended up with something relatively close to this. Tune in the next episode and we'll get that glaze done and see what else we can get into. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button and that like button. Go ahead and take a visit to that website, and I will see you in the next episode.